8.4 miles into our ride, 2295 feet of elevation gain. We are finally to the downhill. Woo! So there we go. Saw Mill Nebo Creek. It's 5 miles long and it should take me right back to my car. Alright, Saw Mill Nebo Creek over on the Nephi side. Let's check it out. See what it's all about. Downhill is upon us. So we should lose about 2,000 feet of elevation over 5 miles distance. I don't know about you, but those statistics sound pretty good to me. I'm gonna take it kind of easy. I am by myself on a new trail. I've only seen 3 people so far on this whole ride, so it's not very well traveled, shall I say. Kind of loose, off camber and loose. There's a log in the way. Pretty fun so far. So this is the Black Diamond rated trail. Forest Service says they do maintain it. So according to Trail Forks, it's still closed, but I don't know how to let Trail Forks know it's open, because the Forest Service are the ones that recommended this trail to me. So it's obviously open. Woo, pretty fun so far. Does it go across, or? Looks like it does go across. Alright. I'm gonna be a little bit of a wussy here. Looks like I may have missed a turn back there. Which way does it go? Are we going up or down? From what I was told, there's not a description on Trail Forks for this trail. But from what I was told, you kind of dip through the creek or go up and down quite a bit. So far it's pretty fun. There's a thistle. Woo! Woohoo! Yahoo! We'll get stabbed by that. Where are we going here, folks? I guess we're going across. That's an interesting spot. I'm gonna fix my brake lever here. Kind of a tricky section, huh? Oh, this is a good trail. water on my rotors. Woo! Going across. Kind of a cool trail so far. No real complaints other than going a lot across the creek. A little awkward sometimes. Cold water on the legs feels great. Ooh, that tree's kind of dangerous. Let's get that out of there. On your love. Wah! Come on, James, go for it. You had it. Woohoo! Don't want to go swimming today. Shake it, baby. Oh, looks like you have some options. There's a trail going up there as well. This one's a little more defined. Hoochie screaming. Woo! That was a little bit narrow. Thought for sure I was hitting a derailer on that one. Wait for Dre. Oh, baby. This is good stuff. Crisscross in the streams. Trying to keep my front wheel out of the tire, or front wheel out of the creek, so I don't get water on the screen. That's making it hard for me to ride. Just gotta focus, James, focus. Shake it, baby. Woo! Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Here we go, here we go. Nice. Nice. What a riot. Looks like we're going in the creek again, or near the creek rather. Where are we going? We crossing? I think we're crossing. Yeah. I think so. Yeah. Oh, right turn. My bad. left turn. Looks like we're crossing again. Where are we going? Cross? Woo! That's a tricky spot. We're going down? I think we're going down. Well, the creek is getting deep. Yeah. Woo! Legs are a little tired. Oh baby, it's so beautiful. Oh, rah! It's like the trail is turned into a creek. Oh, that's kind of fun actually. Nice way to stay cool. Ooh, we're in a chunk now. Oh baby, this is fun. It's not like breakneck speed, but it's kind of fun to ride a new kind of technical-ish trail. You don't really know where it's gonna go. You got these chunky rocks here and there, big kind of like creek bed, like right here. Ooh, I had to take a foot off. Come on, James. What are you doing? That's makeable, guys. I'm just feeling my way through. Please close the gate. I'm gonna figure out how to open it first. I want to let the cows out. So this trail is, I think it's mostly for used by motorcycles and horsemen, but it really is a great mountain bike trail as well, guys. So if you got the legs to do the climbs, or if you got the times, or a awesome person that'll do a shuttle for you, it'd be a long shuttle though, definitely worth it. It's similar to that Page Fork where its main problem is having access to it. Definitely think this pedaling option was a good one. But you do need to have some strong legs or patience with some endurance. Ooh. Woo! Who doesn't love just flying through a stream? Got my seat wet. You're gonna work a little bit on the downhill too. It's not a high flying downhill, it's a well, that foot's soaked. Oh. That foot's soaked in the wrong gear. Now shift. So as you get lower in this trail, it gets a little bit more rocky, kind of due to the creek, I guess. Kind of crossing the creek. The creek also gets a little bit more full the lower you get. Get a little more wet each time you cross it. I haven't ridden it in the spring or the summer, but this fall time riding, ooh baby, it's beautiful. It's like, all right guys, let's go in the creek again. Ooh. Got whacked in the glasses eyeball right as I was going. Almost ran into that log. Lost vision for a second. Ooh, it's getting kind of sandy. Oh, big climb ahead. What the heck? Wrong gear for that. Oh, that's pretty. Woo! Got wet on that one. No! I think our ride's about over, guys. All right guys, so that was Saw Mill Nebo Creek. Comes out right here. I highly recommend it. The way I rode it was I pedaled up Page Fork, pedaled over on the Summit Ridge Trail, and descended down Saw Mill Nebo Creek. So been a good ride so far. We're at 13.5 miles in. I think we got about 1.5 miles pedaled down the road, mostly downhill, I believe, back to the car. So hope you guys enjoyed the ride. Stay tuned for more rides. Peace. Where are you guys headed?
We're gonna go up Summit Ridge or Ridge Summit.
Yeah.
And then come back down Nebo Creek. Hey.
Oh, cool.
Quit.
Yeah, that's my plan too. We'll see
See
if I have the energy.
Right.
We'll have fun.
Hey, you too. Thank you.
Yep. Well, they're doing the same route I want to do. That dog looked like he wanted to eat me. That gives me a little bit of motivation to put some distance between us.